Hey Kickstarter, we all know how difficult it is to produce dynamic video content. All of the sliders and tripods and support equipment that you have to carry around with you make it much more difficult, right? Well, not anymore. Meet Trexo wheels.
YouTubers, visual content creators, vloggers, you know how important to have dynamic shots on a video. Meet the world's first tabletop dolly that you can make route planning with image processing technology easy and fast. We worked on different scenarios to fulfill your needs. Trexo wheels can perform linear and circular movements without using a mobile device. Only thing you need is to teach the route you want to perform. And also with long dolly in-out shots, you can take advantage of the shadow depth of field for amazing visuals. With the help of the intuitive iOS and Android applications, it's easy to control the Trexo wheels. Application connects instantly when you unfold the Trexo wheels. With the turntable kit, you can use Trexo wheels as a product turntable for 360 photography and videos. Sometimes we need complicated camera movements for multi-scene shots. That's why we developed the Camera Path mode, which uses image processing technology for sophisticated paths. With Loop feature, Trexo wheels is a great solution for interviews, B-roll, or any other static shots. Just set it and forget it for perfect cinematic movement. Sometimes we need several takes to make it perfect. If you need to repeat the movement, use the buttons on the Trexo wheels or the smartphone app to take it to initial position and repeat movement as much as you want. With single tap, you can convert a movement to a time-lapse. Just a few parameters and you're good to go without any annoying calculations. Our experienced team has packed unprecedented level of technology inside the Trexo wheels. We have already introduced great cinematic solutions such as Red Dot award-winning Trexo Arc Gimbal, and Trexo Moco Car is world's first motion control-equipped gimbal car.
We have now put our experience and knowledge into Trexo wheels. Join us and be one of the first in the world to have this unique product.
Have you ever imagined a slider can be not just a slider? YC Onion Chips 3 has a completely new attachable mechanical design, making it can be a slider or a dolly. Aluminum alloy made rail, Harry gear upholders, multiple power supply methods, super easy app control, and attachable design. Chips 3 inherits all the charming points of previous YC Onion motorized slider. The coolest feature of Chips 3 motorized slider dolly is it can integrate with DJI, Zhiyun, and Feiyu gimbal. To create 5-axis interlink motion control system enables you to capture incredible shots. Remember that interlink with DJI, Zhiyun, and Feiyu gimbal is YC Onion only feature that no other system in the market lets you do. Touchscreen is one of the innovative points of Chips 3 slider dolly. Compared to traditional physical button, touchscreen makes Chips 3 more functional and attractive. You can easily set points and adjust the parameters on the module. The weight capacity of the module is also quite impressive. The capacity of moving 20 kilograms horizontally gives you enough leeway to use even with cinema cameras. Follow focus and motorized pan tilt head are also part of the YC Onion slider gimbal ecosystem. Pairing with DJI, Zhiyun, and Feiyu gimbal. Adding follow focus and motorized pan tilt head. Chips 3 motorized slider dolly enables you to create silky smooth 5-axis motion in a variety of filming scenarios at any angles. YC Onion app features a simple interface that enables you to program gimbals on all your YC Onion devices. App integration gives you full control remotely and the ability to create keyframes easily. All devices perform precise movements as you programmed. Even though Chips 3 Motorized Slider already equipped with functions that we look for from a motorized slider, it tries to distinguish itself with more outstanding features. Add a joint, attach together, mount a tripod, then Chip sliders transform into a motorized dolly. Chips 3 Dolly supports manual point setting. You can just move the dolly to the starting point and then confirm it on app. And of course, you can easily control the dolly via YC Onion app or touchscreen on the module itself. Chips 3 Motorized Slider Dolly allows you to capture incredible footage by creating linear and curved movements on the flat space. Perfect for interviews and motion time lapses in urban settings.
Our infinite capacity to problem solve has led us to develop the Shark Slider Nano, providing you with minimum form factor, flawless bi-directional 2-axis camera movement. Designed for filmmakers who require absolute portability and total reliability, the Nano goes where you go. Precision gesture control technology provides fast, accurate, reliable, and repeatable track movement, perfect for both interior and exterior location work. Superior brushless motors provide reassuring silence in what can be a noisy world. Compact and lightweight with lightning speed deployment, the Shark Slider Nano provides you with an all-in-one slider solution which is simple to use no matter where you find yourself. Minimum power consumption, exceptional runtime, and USB-C charging means you'll never miss a shot. Flexibility is key. Operate using either our IPS touchscreen or our standalone app. The Nano turns your smartphone into a powerful motion capture device packed with tons of features. Designed to accommodate your needs, your work, and your play. The Shark Slider Nano. Dependable camera movement, whenever and wherever you need it.
Hi, one of the most important features of the Motion Kit is the live mode. In the live mode, you can preset several targets to the system, and by just pressing them, you can switch between them easily. Right now, I'm targeting the apple, and I press and switch to the orange on the go. Please notice that the focusing is also being tracked. I can change the transition speed and make the transition quicker or much slower. I can use the target shift and change the position of my target, and the system remembers that shift. So while the apple is right at the center, when I go back to the orange, it's on the side of the frame. I can add all the way up to 6 targets, and adding a new target is very easy. Just place your target wherever it is, and then press and hold on the new target, and just aim your camera, focus on your new target, and then press done. Now my third target is learned by the system. I can just take a picture of my new target, and as you see, now I have a good reference to remember what this target is about. So I can start my slide and start switching in between my targets effortlessly, like so, in real time. Live mode is an amazing feature which enables the camera operators to get super smooth and perfect pan, tilt, slide and focus on the go, on real time, without any mistakes.